Hi guys, so another day, another slay. So today's video it's about this installation, a friendly installation. Yeah. So this is a friendly installation. If you wanna know bandings njani, install njani, if ever you are my client, per. So what else benzayithetha because andifuna utya ixesha le phone seyigcwele already, like igcwele and understand njani yenzeka njani. So during ivideo as uba ndi-installer andithethi guys because andikwazi uthetha ne. I feel like if ever ndiyathetha ndenza itya ixesha laa nto. So ndizanibonisa ngoku kule intro i-product endiyisebenzisileyo during installation ne. First and first, so funeka ube nayo alcohol rubber ne, urabhe kuqala, and then iglue endiyisebenzisayo Black Ghost Bond glue, ndisebenzise nalena ulala ugeliswa, and then after ugeliswa kuze ugel akekho ke, ayikho intombazana engenayo le nto. Intombazana engenayo le ayikho. After ileyana ugeli unaye mos. After what else? Last but not least, i-dryer. Babies, please, i-dryer xa u-installer usebenzisa u-cold, not u-hot. Cold, not hot ne. Especially xa uzosebenzisa i-glue, uzoyisebenzisa kwi-glue. U-hot uyoyimosha tshomi, uyoyimosha tshomi. So please sebenzisa u-cold ne. And then ugqibela ulala. Noba ungangena eRhanga okanye ungene istrato okanye ungene ii-suburbs. Oh, yintoni istrato? Okay, Rhanga nestrato. Rhanga nestrato ne, yeah. Ugeliswe lo uzamnida yena, but if ever awunaye you can use i-dryer. You can use i-dryer, but ke ngoku xa usebenzisa i-dryer, since you don't have i-hotcom, usebenzisa u-hot ane, uzawusebenzisa u-hot. And then yeah, if ever ikhona into ofuna uyazi during ivideo eziba ndi-install mhlawumbi andiyenzanga, maybe ndilibele or whatever, you can ask. You are welcome. Gonna go. So subscribe, comment, share. Yeah, per.
Me to my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me, when you call me I come, but then you go again with your dab, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Noise and you feel things when you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turn it back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm feeling right now from the side now. Come on, then calm down when you see me. You know that I was Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I won't share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
And when we're making love, your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Oh yeah, baby.
And I'll take some time just to get thankful that I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
when I come around. Somebody fill you up, then I take it down. Got someone I want you love when I come around. Somebody fill you up, then I take.
It drives me insane.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
Wait. So what can I say to you? But I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down, baby. What is this for this girl? What is love? What's that? Love, what is love? Would you believe it if I told you all about it? But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just mad at fuck. We was living fast at first. Just don't get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what? Sorry.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, buy some free cars.
I know this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Or am I the soundless how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
So guys, please tell me if ever you want to see anything. Ooh, yeah, cheese. Tell me if you want to see something else. Mhlawumbe ndiyenzanga or ndilibele. Ungangixelela. Yeah, you can comment and tell me, yabo. And then yeah, don't forget to comment and subscribe and share. Put.